All right, good morning, guys. Are we going to go to all-time highs today or what, guys? This is wild. So I think the best thing we can do is be very, very patient at open. Let some of the craziness work itself out. You know, not like yesterday when I got a little trigger happy too early. I think we sit the open out, put our levels in, and then we hit it hard. That's my game plan. Good to see you guys. But I don't know. I have a feeling that at the opening bell, we'll probably run up, bust above 23,900. From there, we legit might make a test for 24,000 today, guys. Unless we get a choke slam candle at the opening bell to take us far, far away from 900. If that doesn't happen, I'll probably be kind of bullish today. But, it's the market, guys. Anything can happen. Here we go. 3 seconds. See what kind of candle we get here. Look, I'm saying, I think we're going to break above 900. But, I mean, will we see a nightmare red candle before that happens? Possibly. This is a picture-perfect flag, really on every time frame, the 2, the 5, the 1, everything. So there was the 900 test. Maybe it wants to cool off from 900 now. I don't know. Want the schedule. I don't know, guys. That wick, I gotta try one. That was a hold of the 50s. Back up, testing. I don't know. I'm just gonna sit in this one for a minute. Stop right there. Okay, we're tagged. It was still worth the shot for me right there. I still think we're going to 900. I think I just got tagged slightly early, which is fine. I did. Let's see here, guys. Back to 50s. I still think that we're bullish. Obviously, if it slams down super hard, I'm not going to keep that bias, but for right now, I don't have any reason to think that we're not bullish. Almost want to put a second contract on. The only reason I'm not doing so is because it's so early here. That's the only reason. Otherwise, I would do it. But I do believe that we want to go back up to 900. Testing 75 right here. Let's see how we do with it. I'll put my stop right here below that wick. I'll give it to 40. I don't want to go down into the 30s. The thing is, even if this stops me out, I could still see it coming back is the hilarious part. Okay, let's go. Take one of those off. Do some risk management here, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of activity going on here at 50. Okay, we're tagged right there. Again, I still think that we are going to end up being bullish, but I'm going to give it a couple extra minutes here. Only down $1,000. I think I've got taken out a little bit early here, but it's fine. Get a couple things pulled up here in the meantime. Yeah, that is the hard thing. That is the hard thing, Noah. Like, I really do think that we're going to end up being bullish on the day. I still believe that. But the thing is, how low can you ride the thing, you know? Like, because what if you're not correct? What if, you know, it does just completely keep melting down? I don't think it's going to, but, you know, you got to have a cutoff at some point. So, took a stab. It was worth it. It is what it is. I could see us going down, maybe tapping 30, maybe 20. But ultimately, I don't know. I'm just not feeling a bearish day. I don't know why that is. I mean, it could end up being a bearish day, and if after these levels are completely defined, if that's what it's suggesting, that's what we'll do. But I'm not convinced at this point in time. Take a shot again here. We can pop back up above 50. We'll be doing something pretty good. Waiting for the right opportunity here, guys. Maybe one tiny little extra dip, and then I can get a second one. Take it right there. You would think so, Noah, but, you know, there's no guarantees in this game. Okay, maybe we can get a little bounce right here. That would be fantastic. Don't want to put my stop in too early and get stopped out before the move starts, but you know. Absolutely, Noah. Absolutely, brother. Come on, just give us the pop up above 50 like we want. So I can put a stop in place. Gonna put the stop right there. Just, okay, sure. Alright, made 160 back right there. That's fine. Put a win on the board. Only down 900. Not the worst. We got 5 minutes here. There was that 50 pop. We're going to go to the short side here. On that, you know, tap and break of 50, and then we push back down. But I'm going to keep a stop right here above that wick. If it clears that, it might want to make more highs, so. It's worth the stab on that logic. All right, there we go. It's fine. So I'm saying, guys, sometimes with trading, you take a lot of missed shots, but if you're just taking tiny little paper cuts each time, it doesn't hurt you. Okay, if you want to go up, we can go up with you. Yes, sir. Okay, take some back, why not? Looks like a hold of 800 to me, guys. What's up, Philpot? I almost want another one, but I'm playing the safe game. One contract gang here. Okay, put my second one on here, down next to my stop. It didn't add much more risk to me. When I do add more contracts, I like to do it when I'm close to, okay, that's fine. I like to add when I'm close to my stop loss. That way, If I am wrong, then I barely lose any extra money on the second contract. Give it 60 seconds here for the full 15 to be in. Yeah, I think 24K is on deck too, Noah. I was really thinking that we're going to break 900, and I still think we're going to. Give it 15 seconds here to make sure no crazy candle comes on that candle. Okay, 15 minutes are in. Let's see what we do with this candle right here.
She said she never seen the stars in LA, but you should see the way the moon shine on a dirt road highway. You the type to put a 60-hour work weekend just to get off, hit the dive bar all night Friday.
We're coming down to test the open range low, but I think we want to go up. Stop down here under that wick though. If we break under this wick, that's the sign for me that we're probably going to make new low of day. I don't mind taking a lot of shots and a lot of paper cuts, but what I do mind is just, you know, getting caught in a massive candle the wrong way. That would wreck you. Okay. All right. We'll take $100 back right there. That's okay. Put one more back in. Still same logic here. Under this wick, I think we go to low of day. So I can't write it down under that wick. Get my second one back in here. See if we can push up a little bit higher this time, guys. Okay, go and take one of those off. Back down to one contract. Play it safe. Okay. Stop in the profit. Try to let it push as much as I can, but all right, well, we're securing more profit. That's okay. Jabbing our way back. It's been a tough 2 days, guys.
I'm not from New York, but I wish I was, 'cause I love the lights and I miss your touch, but I haven't seen you since that night in Central Park. Haven't seen you since 2019. Got me looking like a Drake meme when I pour out my feelings like this. You know I hate feeling like this.
See if we can come down. Maybe go get that low of day. Not exactly, Josh. We just have to take a short hiatus on the ponies. Okay. All right, I think we held, and I think we're going to go now, guys. So I'm going to put 2 contracts in to the upside here. Looking for 900. Okay. I want to keep pushing. That's why I'm not putting my stop in, even though I'm up a decent amount here. I almost want 3 in, but I want to make sure that we do hold 50 here. Okay. All right, I got my 3rd contract, guys. Okay. Give me one good push up here. Okay. Stop in the profit. Okay. Sure. Okay. All right, we made $555 back right there. I'm going to put one more in because we are coming up to 900 here. We can break above 900. I feel like 920 to 930 will come pretty quickly. I really want 2 contracts in, but I'm also playing the safe game right here because I do know that jabs will get me back. Well, okay. That was not cool. Let's see if we can hold that. And we cannot. I did not see that smackdown coming, guys. That was out of left field for me. That's the game we want to play. If we want to smack down, then let's go down. Okay, made 500 of it back right there. What a candle at 900, guys. I have not enjoyed these past 2 days at all. Let's see here, guys. Can we fail 50? Can we get any continuation one way or the other today? Is the question. That was a pretty hard slam down right there at 900 is the thing. I mean, I find it very hard to believe that we don't get some more, selling pressure coming off of that. There we go. Let's do the thing. All right, we made 400 more. Only down 1,700. Jesus. We keep flirting with this open range low.
Order filled.
I'm going to have to go with what the chart's telling me and think that it's going to keep selling. This is going to be a day that, if we win today, we're going to have a rocky fight. We get beat up for 11 rounds and on the 12th round come out victorious. It's looking like what's going on.
I walk in a room with myself. You like a whole different person. You gotta do it yourself. Baby, you know that I'm working.
See if we can just fail 30. That would be great.
You like a whole different person. I walk in a room with myself. You like a I walk in a room with myself. You like a you like a whole different person. I didn't like how it felt, blowing it loud. Baby, she like how it smelled. She took a mile, but I didn't like how it felt. I'm in the club like a devil.
We're still not even 30 minutes.
She wanna lick up on P Street, beep beep, repeat. Pull up on me, ain't no beep beep. You like a
Let's get this fail here, guys.
you like a whole different person. You like a whole different. You like a whole different person. I walk in the room with myself. I like that. I like that. You like a whole different. You like a whole different person. I like that. I like that.
Okay.
You like a whole different person.
She's a trying. Don't want to put my stop in too early and miss the move, but, I'm going to let it ride right now, guys, because I think we can have a pretty substantial selling candle come. We got 60 seconds here, and then the full 30 minutes are in. If it's anything like yesterday, the board might clear up after those 30 minutes. We'll see. What's up, Meredith? Yeah, it looks like we're failing 50, guys. the 2-minute chart looks like a picture perfect bear flag to me starting to form. I mean, if we get back above this red candle, of course that's invalidated. So I'm gonna put my stop right here at 71. Hope that doesn't happen, but if it does, it does. Looks like we're trying to fail though. Yeah. Come on down, baby. Give us the fails. All right, $240. We'll take that. We'll take that all day long.
Order
And I'm going to take another shot right here too. Okay, come on down. Okay. All right, another 220. There's only red 1,300, guys. It seems like the last 2 days, or actually all week really, the first 15 minutes is a trap this week. It's like after the first 30 minutes is when the clean action comes. Me and Steve were actually talking about that yesterday. Just, something to note, maybe take it into next week. Let's go break under 800 though, why not? If we got some selling pressure, we're coming down to a key level of 800. I'll take the stab to be there for it. I almost want 2 contracts, but I need to be pretty precise on my second entry. I'll put it on right here. I just want to go break under 800. That would be perfect case scenario for me. We have the selling pressure to do it. It's just, can we pull this off? It's trying, guys, it's trying. If we can fail 810, I'll feel really dang good that we're going down to 800. But I guess I should be slightly smart, take one of those contracts back off. Come on, Randy. Dude, if there was ever a day we need a Randy Orton, it's today. I do think that we're going to get it. I took my second contract off just to be safe, but I do think it's coming. If this holds, it means that we're just bouncing around within the open range. If we fail 800, we're going to fail 800 hard. That's what I see. Okay, we're trying, guys. We are definitely trying. Okay, made like 90 bucks on that, so we're only down 1,200. I do think the fail is coming here, but Jesus, we're having to work for it.
Order fill.
Okay, we're trying. We are trying. We're here for it. Okay. Only down $1,000, baby. Only down $1,000. Now I'm perking back up, okay? It's getting fun again. Let's try it again. Come on, Randy. Win the world championship, Randy, please. I know you got more that you can drop down for us. We want like 775. Come on, baby. Give me a continuation. On days that we have continuation, I thrive. Let's go, baby. Come on, Randy. All right, you know what? We made another 100 bucks. We're only down 900. Will we keep bleeding? Probably. But, you know, we've battled back a decent amount here. So I'm going to sip this ginger ale, switch out the nicotine, and reset. And, you know, this is a talking point right here, guys. Like, obviously, I'm still red. And I took a lot of paper cuts this morning. You know, I was losing back-to-back-to-back trades. But, if you guys see, they were all very minimal controlled trades. Did they add up to a decent more than I would like to be down? Yeah, I mean, I don't want to be down 2,500 bucks. I'm not anymore. But the point being is I know how to take a loss, okay? I know to just cut it when I'm wrong, and I don't let one trade make me lose 5,000, 6,000 by refusing to take a loss. I would rather just take paper cut, paper cut, paper cut. And to some people, if this is your first time watching my stream, I don't care if I look like an idiot to some people. Like, man, he's just taking that loss. Because the only thing that matters in trading, entries, they're kind of important, but the more important thing is where you sell and risk management. If you have good risk management, I mean, you can really take an entry anywhere. Look like a cop with the stash. You know, funny story. I meant to shave it this morning. What happened is my beard was a little bit lighter, and I went to the barber again to be the normal. He just like straight up shaved the entire beard off because I guess he thought that's what I wanted. And I was like, you know what, man, that's fine. I'll take care of it later. But yeah, I told my wife when I got home, I was like, dude, I look like a freaking cop. Meredith says she's up 705 today. Don't lose to her today. Meredith, I'm so happy that you're up 705. If I lose to you today, that would be amazing. I hope you crush it, Meredith. Testing this 800 here. Are we going to keep bleeding, or are we going to come back and capture 800? I'll take a shot that we can come back into the 800s here. Stop at that wick at 75, though. Okay. Only down 1,300. That's fine. We can live with that.
Girl, let me tell you the bag different when you just stand your bag. Can't no one tell me to act different. I got my foot on the gas, and I never trip without bags. I'm with my
If we want to bleed, let's bleed then. We're under the open range low. We got selling pressure, so that's why I'm going short. Can we bleed though? We'll see.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. Only down 1,200. All right. This 75 is hanging around here a little too much for my liking, meaning it's trying to work itself out. Like, do we want to go back to 800 or do we want to keep going lower?
Order filled.
We'll try to go back to 800. We'll try it on this shot. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, Noah. It's a 50-50 shot, man. Either we go down to 50 or we go up to 800. I don't really love the 75 areas. If we get back up to 90, though, I'll put a second contract on. Might turn this into a good situation after all. We keep coming back to 75, so it's a little magnet for us. Think 75 is running bull traps and bear traps, to be honest with you. What I'm going to do is see how we hold at 50 here. and then decide what I want to do at 50. I don't want to go below 40, I'll tell you that. Okay, we'll get it right there. $46 stop. That's plenty for me. That'll be a, you know, $1,000 hit. All right, and there we go. Tough day at the office, guys. Okay, and are we getting the 50 bounce here, or is this another fake out? I'm going to have to go with another fake out. Okay, we got 2 on it. Okay. Took 100 back right there. Maybe I'm just going to stick with one contract because I don't have a full certainty read on the thing. All right, take some more back right there. Just trying to get back under 2K, and then I can, you know, hit the chessboard. The terrible 30s, yeah, I think that's exactly where we're at, Noah. We're pretty extended to the downside here. I would be surprised if we go under 700. Take a shot on this wick that's forming right here.
I'm addicted to the way that we are. I'm just riding around town in your broke down car.
Okay, that might have been the entry right here.
Cause at the end of the day, it was both of us. Everybody said stay away, but do I ever? If I let you go, I feel okay, but do I ever? Yeah, if I could call you
I'm just getting faked out both ways here today, guys.
no, I motherfucking don't. Do I ever wanna see your face again? Do I ever wanna be your man? Do I ever?
I don't think that we're going to drop that much under 7. Let this thing ride a little bit. But I do have to have a stop in place. And it might tag me right here.
Yes, I do. Oh no,
And I believe it's going to, guys. We'll see.
Maybe that's why I don't get drunk as much anymore. Cause I know all that alcohol gon' be texting your phone. We got issues, but tell me someone who don't. So what we argue, at least we got something to fight for. In this world, that's the way that it goes. If somebody's gonna hurt you, it's someone you love the most. Do I ever wanna see your face again? Do I ever wanna be your man? Do I ever wanna be there when it's hard? Do I ever? I always said I
Are we tagged or not? All right, we're tagged. All right, guys. I do not have a read on the day. I'm at max loss on the day. So I'm cutting it right here. So not my best outing. We'll get it back next week.
do I ever? If I let you go, I feel okay, but do I ever? Yeah, if I could call Do I ever? No, I motherfucking don't. Cause I don't ever wanna see you with nobody else. Cause I need you by my side.